surname, then the full names in column D. Column D, as you can see, it is blank. That is the column that we will be working with, so that we can combine the names in column A, the names in column B, the names in column C, so that we have a full names of that, let's say, that individual. So under normal usage, somebody might decide to just type to combine the names by typing. For example, what I'm doing now in the screen, David Lady Kolu, which it is as easy as you can see. But now the challenge comes when we have a very long list of names. Maybe you have around 1,000 names, you have 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 4,000, and so forth. That now will become very hectic and time consuming to type everything there so that you can combine the names. But now that we have Excel, it is possible to combine the names by entering a formula. So I'll be giving you two shortcuts that we can use to combine those names without wasting a lot of time, without consuming a lot of energy. So the first one, we'll start by writing a formula here, where you can see now the cursor. That is the cell we are going to write. That is the first, in the first row where we have the first name. We just have this formula is equals to. So in this case, we are combining the first name, that is David. You can see it is, that is the cell number A2. Then we use the ampersand, as you can see there, using your just typing in using your keyboard, shift, then press 7. That's you will have entered the ampersand. Then as you continue now, we want to combine these with the second name. We also use the ampersand again. Then we also need to combine with the third name. Now that is a way you combine them. Now you can hit enter and you see what happens. That is what we have. You can notice that we have combined the three names. However, those names are not separated, which we cannot have names when they are combined the way they are. So we need to introduce a space between the three names. So we just go back to the formula itself up there. Then we are going to insert another ampersand. Then the space, to insert the space, you can just put shift, then the quotes, that is the double quote. Then hit the space button once, again close that quote. Then you go to the second one, where we also need another space. It is here. Put another ampersand like that. Then space once. Then a minute. Yes, we need an ampersand sign here after the cell number. So that is it. Notice that what you can see there. I want you to see that is the formula. Then after you have written the formula correctly, then you can hit enter button. What you notice that the names appear and they have the spaces. That is one space between them. You can read them very correctly. That is David Lady Cole. Now to do the same for the others, you just need to come here at the edge. That is you can see until your cursor turns to a plus sign like that. Then you can double click and all the other names will be generated down there. That is a simple way. If you have 1,000 names, like you just do it that way, and then you replicate that formula in all the other cells downwards. You'll have completed that thing within seconds, as you have seen. And I always say that whenever you do anything, remember, this is a formula. It is always good that you copy everything that we have there, and then you paste it again, so that you can do away with the formulas. Paste special, so that you are done with the formulas like you can see there. So that is the first approach. The second approach, let me clear this so that you can now do the second approach. It is the best and it is my simplest. I know you are going to enjoy it. Look at this. If you want to combine these names, it is very easy. Just type the names as we are typing the first time. David, Lady, Kolu. Just look at that. You have typed them. Then after typing, you just need to use your shortcut using the keyboard. You just place the cursor where you have typed the names, like you can see. Let us just place it there. Then using Control button on your keyboard and the E button. So you press Control, then E. Within a second, you'll have seen all the names have appeared downwards. And that is the shortest shortcut that you can use to combine names. That is, in Excel, we normally call it concatenation, but I don't want to take you through that long process of concatenation. This is the simplest. So enjoy, you can practice it more. And I will urge you to subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment, especially something that you have not understood or something that you want to learn about Excel. Just leave a comment there. I will repeat again, subscribe to this channel for you to get more skills on Excel. Thank you. See you in the next video.